Good morning, class. Today we will start the chapter 4, that is carbon and its compounds. As in the previous chapter we have studied the formation of ionic compounds, we saw that ionic compounds have high melting and boiling point, and they also conduct electricity because there is a presence of ions, as ions are the indication for the electricity. They are the charge carriers, and whenever the ions are moved they always conduct electricity. Do you know that, everybody? Okay, now the next we have, let us now study the properties of some carbon compounds. Now we have another element, that is carbon. Now we will discuss the properties of some carbon compounds. These are poor conductor of electricity. It is written over here that these are poor conductor of electricity. Why? Because they do not have ions, and whenever the ions are not there, they do not conduct electricity. So that's why they are the poor conductor of electricity. We know that reactivity of elements is explained as their tendency to attain a completely filled outer shell. As we have different elements and the arrangement of the elements are also different depending on their electronic configuration. Suppose the carbon, which is having atomic number 6, so in its first shell there are 2 electrons, or in its second shell there are 4 electrons. So in the outermost shell and needs to gain or lose electrons to attain noble gas configuration. So carbon, in its second shell there are 4 electrons, so either it loses 4 electron or gain 4 electron to attain a noble gas configuration. But if it could gain 4 electrons, forming C4 negative anion. If it will gain electrons, that means the carbon is gaining negative charge, so it will become C4 negative anion. But it would be difficult for the nucleus. Why it will be difficult for the nucleus? Because the nucleus, which is having number of protons, that is 4, as the atomic number we have the same number of protons and the same number of electrons we are having, same number of neutrons also. Okay, so as we are having 4 protons already, if we gain 4 electrons then it will become 8, which will be difficult for the nucleus to hold it. Okay, so it is not possible. If it could lose 4 electrons, forming C4 positive cation, अगर lose करेगी, if it will lose then it will form C4 positive cation, but it will not be possible. So carbon overcomes this property by sharing its valence electron with other atoms of carbon or with other atoms of elements. Okay, not only carbon but many other elements form molecules by sharing electrons. There are so many examples we have. Let us have a look at some example. Molecule formed by the sharing of valence electrons. The simple molecule formed is that of hydrogen. Now see here, hydrogen having its atomic number is 1, so in its first shell there is only 1 electron, so it has not a noble gas configuration or a stable configuration. It always wants to either it gain 1 electron or it lose 1 electron. So if it will share the 1 electron with the other hydrogen atom, then it will form the bond. So it is given here, hydrogen having single electron, another hydrogen having single electron, they will share both the electrons and they will form the bond like this, H bond H, like this. So they will form the molecule H2 molecule, and this is the shared electron. This is the configuration of a molecule of hydrogen. Okay, now the next we have, the shared pair of electrons is said to consider a single bond between the two hydrogen atoms. If we are sharing 2 electrons, then it will form a single bond. If we are sharing 4 electrons, then it will form 2 bonds. The other case we are having in case of oxygen. In case of oxygen, we see the formation of double bond. As the oxygen having atomic number is 8, so its electronic configuration is 2, 6. Okay, so oxygen has 6 electrons in its outermost shell and the electronic configuration is 2, 6. So in its outermost shell there are 6 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another oxygen having same electronic configuration 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, these are the oxygen atoms. While they are sharing their bonds, because they are having tendency to lose 6 electrons and to gain 2 electrons to attain noble gas configuration. But what will they do? They will share two electrons. They will share two electrons. Here the sharing takes place when it will share 4 electrons. That means 2 electrons. They will form double bond like this. O double bond O. O double bond O and form O2 molecule. This is the double bond between two oxygen atoms. Okay. Similarly, we have some more example like nitrogen.